Seated A to Z vocabulary guide. Key pedagogical term for exam preparation. Assessment. Evaluating students' learning. Acquisition. Learning a language naturally. Bloom's taxonomy. Classification of learning objectives. Bilingualism. Speaking two languages fluently. Constructivism. Building knowledge from experience. Comprehension. Understanding text or speech. Differentiated instruction. Adapting teaching for diverse learners. Diagnostic assessment. Pre-test for prior knowledge. Evaluation. Judging students' learner quality. Experiential learning. Learning through experience. Formative assessment. Continuous progress monitoring. Fluency. Smooth and easy speaking or writing. Grammar translation method. Traditional language teaching. Growth mindset. Believing intelligence can develop. Higher order thinking skill. Analyzing, evaluating, creating. Hands-on learning. Learning by doing. Inclusive education. Accommodating all learners. Intrinsic motivation. Learning driven by internal rewards. Jigsaw method. Cooperative learning technique. Journal writing. Reflective learning practice. Kinesthetic learning. Learning through movement. Knowledge construction. Building understanding actively. Learning outcomes. Expected results of instruction. Language acquisition. Learning a language process. Metacognition. Thinking about one's own thinking. Motivation. Factors driving student to learn. Norm reference assessment. Comparing performance with peers. Narrative text. Writing that tell a story. Oral communication. Speaking and listening skill. Outcome-based education. Focus on learning results. Pedagogy. The method of teaching. Phonics. Teaching reading through letter sound association. Qualitative assessment. Observational evaluation. Questioning technique. Encouraging critical thinking. Reflective teaching. Analyzing teaching method. Rubric. Scoring guide for assessment. Summative assessment. End of learning evaluation. Scaffolding. Supportive student in learning concept. Task-based learning. Learning through meaningful tasks. Team teaching. Multiple teachers instructing together. Universal design for learning. Flexible teaching approach. Understanding by designing. Teaching with clear end goals. Visual learning. Learning through image and charts. Vocabulary development. Process of learning new words. Whole language approach. Emphasizing meaning in reading. Workshop model. Structuring lesson with mini tasks. Experiential learning. Learning through experience. Exploratory learning. Hands-on investigating learning. Young learners. Children in early education. Year-round education. School throughout the year. Zone of proximal development. Learning with guidance. Zone zero tolerance policy.